We've got a tree guy coming tomorrow, him and a helper. He's going to cut back this ornamental cherry in our front yard and cut back these scraggly things on the other side of our driveway. And we have these juniper bushes that have gotten huge. I cut them back in height a few years ago, but we want to get them trimmed back to where they look kind of like these from our neighbor's yard. So they look like shrubs instead of overgrown Christmas trees. In our backyard, we have these fruit trees that have gotten tall and scraggly. They need to be shaped and cut back. And in the corner here, there's that what's supposed to be a miniature maple tree, but it's grown way past the miniature stage. I want that cut way back. And then here in the very back, we've got these trees from the green belt behind us overgrown into our yard. I want that cleared up so it's not hanging over the fence like this. Yeah!
He's all too low for you here anyway, aren't you?
Yeah. He'll be scampering down after he ties his ropes off.
Cool. I don't know where Ed is. He's usually right now.
He's probably packing down your truck, our trailer.
Yeah, he's bumping it down.
Wow.
To it, huh?
There's how much they're taking out. There goes all our yard waste.